5 times in history, humanity was forced to step down from a throne it had built for itself. This is the third wound. Even after Copernicus threw us out of the center of the universe, we retreated to a second fortress, our biology. We believed that an impenetrable wall separated us from the beasts. We shared their bodies, yes. We ate, we slept, we died. But our minds, our reason, our souls, we believed these were of a different, divine substance. The animals were machines. We were the crown of creation. Then came Charles Darwin. He did not attack our theology with philosophy. He dismantled it with observation. He showed us that the tailcoat of civilization was not a divine gift. We had sewn it ourselves, thread by thread, over millions of years, to cover our naked, vulnerable skin. There was no wall. We were not a special creation placed into the Garden of Eden. We were merely another branch on the vast, sprawling tree of life. Our reason, our language, our morality, not a spark from heaven, an evolutionary tool forged in the brutal struggle for survival. The Victorian world reacted with horror. At the Oxford debate of 1860, a bishop mockingly asked whether we claimed our descent from an ape on our grandfather's or grandmother's side. The answer defined the modern age. Our dignity does not lie in a divine origin. Our dignity lies in our courage to accept the truth, even when it humiliates us. Darwin showed us that the body could be built by a blind, mechanical process. But the question that haunted the 19th century was already forming in the workshops of the engineers. Could the mind be built the same way? Today, we have the answer, and we are reacting with the exact same horror. Just as the Victorians were terrified that a blind, mechanical process could produce the human body, we are terrified that a blind, computational process can produce the human mind. Artificial intelligence is the new Darwinian wound. It shows us that intelligence, language, and creativity do not require a soul. They only require pattern, scale, and time. Darwin taught us that we do not need to be the center of biology to be valuable. AI is teaching us that we do not need to hold a monopoly on intelligence to be human. We are not the crown of creation. We are the species that builds the next crown. Fear not the AI.